Brianca Jay, and it's launch day. Hopefully I found some applause so I can put in the background to make it sound like we was having a real big party. But yeah, it's launch day, and I want to tell you guys in advance, thank you so much for supporting my debut picture book. I'm very excited. Have a few specials, so if you check the link in the description box, you'll be able to open my picture book page where I have a bundle as well as a signed copy, and of course you can directly buy it from Amazon, so please check that out. Please check that out. Also, there's another link to catch me live today, November 28th at 2 p.m. for my very first author talk. It's my first interview, and you guys can all be a part of it. So if you want to, set a reminder for 2 p.m. I'll be live on Facebook Live with Inklings Publishing. But I didn't want to just come on here and just kind of say that. So I thought maybe I could show you some of the original artwork from the book, and we can kind of talk about it a little bit. I just thought that may be a more interesting video. And then maybe tell you a little bit about the book. So my book actually came to me inspired by this work I was doing with this school, community service group here in Houston called Writers in the School. And they allowed me to do my very first lesson before I was ever a teacher. They gave me the opportunity to teach a lesson on creative writing, and I tried to teach the children about spoken word. And to do so, I gave them this really silly poem about this kid who keeps getting socks for Christmas. His grandmother keeps giving him socks every time she sees him, but he hates socks. And so what he ends up doing is pretty much finding the courage to tell grandma, like, I really don't like it. And so these are some of the original hand drawings that I did for the book. So this is like just one of those background pages where you can just see like all the different types of socks. Everything's hand painted with watercolor. Here's another background page to just some hot air balloons I thought were kind of cute here. Then we have an elephant trying on socks. Of course, the protagonist is an elephant, so this is really fun addition. These are really hard to do too as well. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I really struggle. I'm not like an artist by trade. I actually have a degree in literature, so this was new for me, but I had so much fun creating the pictures, and I hope you like them. This one's really detailed. You see him in his room, super frustrated. And this is him with his grandmother. I thought this one's really cute. It's probably one of the better ones, right? This is socks with spice on them. This is him holding up his socks as well as all his different socks in the background there. Here is a laundry basket full of the different socks grandma is getting him. Just ridiculously overdoing it, isn't she? Yeah, she is getting him so many different things. Spotted, dotted, striped, mice, all types of things. This is him and all his gifts. This is him loving grandma, confronting her finally to talk about how he feels. This is his quizzical look. I don't like this picture that much, but you know, we're here now. Too late to be doing all that. Another one where I thought I could get better, but too late for all that. And then one of the last photos. I think it's one of the first ones I made. Weirdly, it's one of the first ones I made. Last one to show. But yeah, so those are some of the illustrations from the book. Those are the illustrations. Again, all hand drawn. They took me, I want to say, almost 6 weeks over the summer, with me diligently taking my time on each one. Drew it by hand, painted it, sketched it, everything like that. And yeah, and then the book got picked up by a small publishing company here in Houston, Texas, and then we kind of went back and forth through the process. I ended up hiring a graphic designer to assist me with the cover and just to make sure things looked really neat. And yeah, the rest is history. So the book is now available for purchase. You can check out all those cool illustrations as well as the cute little poem to go with it. And it is super awesome when you do it. So link is in the description box, and yeah, meet me at 2 p.m. today if you can. 2 p.m. November 28th, I will be live on Facebook Live doing an author talk, and I can't wait to see you there. Have a good one.